Hey guys, hope you all have been well. Welcome back to my channel. Today's video we are going to begin the MAC lipstick collection series. This will be a three-part series where I share with you all the MAC lipsticks that I currently own in my collection. Now mind you, these are going to be a lot of lipsticks, but the entirety of my collection does expand a little bit more because I've gotten rid of lipsticks previously by giving them away or giving them to people to back to MAC. So this will just be the collection that I currently have with me. This first video will be me sharing with you all the lipsticks that I will be decluttering. I'm not going to go one by one and say why I'm decluttering them. The only reason they're being decluttered is because they're bad. So I will just be sharing them with you, swatching them for you, and letting you know what the items are as well as their finishes. So we have a lot of lipsticks to go through, so I think we should definitely get started. Cream Sheen, Cream in Your Cup. Satin Photo. Cream Sheen Hang Up. Luster Plumful. Matte Nouvelle Vogue. Cream Sheen Glamour Days. Amplified Blankety. Satin Flesh Pot. Satin Myth. Satin Brave. Satin Cyber. Satin Snob. Amplified Half and Half. Luster Lovelorn. Cream Sheen Pillow Talk. Luster Gem of Roses. Cream Sheen Fanfare. Amplified Tribalist. Amplified Bricola. Satin Film Noir. Amplified Cream Dramatic Encounter. Satin Amorous. Satin Verve. Oh well. Matte Yash. Amplified A Perfect Day. Satin Sushi Kiss. Satin Retro. Luster Viva Glam 5. Amplified Craving. Luster Midi Mauve. Luster Shy Shine. Luster Desire. Amplified Violetta. Satin Mocha. Satin Spirit. Satin Peach Stock. Satin Captive. Luster Polished Up. Cream Sheen Shy Girl. Frost Innocence. Satin Del Rio. Cream Sheen Hot Gossip. Luster Syrup. Cream Sheen Modesty. Luster Patisserie. Cream Sheen Ravishing. Amplified Cosmo. Luster Viva Glam 6. So I don't know how many lipsticks I have in total, so let me speed it up and we will count and see how many we are going to be decluttering. So guys, we are going to be decluttering 48 lipsticks. That is insane. That means I can back to MAC these for 8 lipsticks. That is awesome. I do have some other MAC products that I will probably end up having to keep in this pile, other items that are not lipstick, so that I can back to MAC them as well, but that's a lot to be able to back to MAC. I don't have anything that I currently want in the lipstick line because I do have a bunch of lipsticks that are still good. That will be the part 3 of this video series, so I will be showing that to you, 2 videos from this one, but that's a lot. So I hope you guys like the start to this series. The next one will be the lipsticks that are still good but I'm giving away, and then part 3 again will be all the lipsticks that I've kept, obviously, that are still good. Thank you guys so much for joining me in this first installment. I hope that you guys continue to stay tuned. If you guys enjoyed this video and have not done so already, go ahead and click the red subscribe button down below. I would really appreciate it. If you're interested in any of my makeup looks, be sure to check out my Instagram account. First link in the description box down below. Till the next video, I hope you all are doing well, taking great care of yourselves. I will see you all next time. Bye guys.